Raindrops, drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot box, fucking on your bitch, yeah, that, cooking up dope in the car.
Subscribe now.
We came from nothing to something, nigga. I don't try nobody, grip the trigger, nobody. Call up the gang and they come and get janked. Cry me a river, keep you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Michaela. Hey girls. And so today is going to be a little special video. It's kind of a little bit more fun. It is going to be how to look bad and bougie on a budget. And I know we all want to do that because especially for me, I'm in college. So I don't have a lot of money to spend on glamour pieces or once in a lifetime dresses to wear for events. I have to really be money conscious and use my money to the full budget that I can. So in this video, I'm just going to be showing you guys how to look more expensive without breaking the bank. So my first tip on how to look bad and bougie on a budget is to actually just cover up. I know that sounds really surprising maybe because everyone likes to show off their boobies or butt or whatever, but picking one thing to kind of highlight, so if you know if your boobs are out, then you want to cover up on the bottom or whatnot. I got this really cute sweater from Forever 21 for like 20 bucks. It's really big and oversized, but because of the pattern, it looks really expensive. It's really cozy and it just highlights my body shape very nicely. So that's my number one tip. It's just covering up because now you're leaving your imagination to actually tell your story versus you already showing your whole story by showing the whole world. And then my second tip is actually to wear small jewelry. I'm not a big person. I used to be in middle school, high school, where I had to wear the big bulky earrings and the fake chains and like just being obnoxious with my jewelry. But to be honest, people who have money do not do that. People who have money don't actually show off their money. You're very unlikely to see someone who's rich and famous wearing bulky jewelry and things like that. Actually, just even showing their wealth in general, they're really not going to do that. So my tip is buying cheap little dainty jewelry, which I do a close-up on the one I'm wearing, but it's like these two little coins. It is two separate necklaces, but they layer up really nicely and it's really dainty. I also have some pearls and some really just small earrings to complete the look, and I think I look really classy, really more expensive because I'm not trying too hard. And my third tip is big shades. If you don't have a pair of dark sunglasses, then girl, what are you doing? Because dark shades look like you are mean business. It means you are ready to up your game. It has so many things that specialize with dark glasses, and you can get them for super cheap for like $5, and everyone thinks they might be Gucci or Louis or whatever. Dark shades, you can block out the haters, look classy, and protect your eyeballs. So these are the pair I like to wear. I also got these from Forever 21, and these are just a dark sorry for blinding you in my light, but it's got this like turquoise, what, you know the print I'm talking about, but it's like that with a cat eye, and boom, like you can't tell me nothing with these shades on. Like you really can't, and that's what I mean. I look expensive, man. I look bougie, and I think my whole outfit cost maybe 30 bucks so far. Obviously, I'm not wearing pants because YouTuber life, who's got time to be wearing pants in the videos? But, so, recap, small jewelry, cover up, look a little sexy, maybe even show some collarbone, some clavicle, and big shades. Big shades. Everyone needs a pair of big shades. And my fourth tip is fur. Fur always looks expensive. I don't care how cheap it is. Obviously no real fur, just some fake fur. It always looks expensive. No matter how much you pay for it, it looks like you spent so much money. Now this is fur I have. This whole haul is from Forever 21. But look at that, like, This is a dark emerald green, which I don't even know. Oh, there it goes. You can see the color. Look at that. Like, all I gotta do is put like a little black motorcycle jacket, moto jacket, and look. It's a look. It's a look. Hey. See, like, this is really cute, and this also actually keeps you warm. Don't front. You can look cute and bad while keeping your shoulders warm, your whole body warm, your kidneys warm. Okay, so this just goes over your shoulder like a little scarf. It's, first off, it's super soft, and two, it looks expensive, and I think that was like 19 bucks or something. You just throw it on and you look cute. Fur always looks expensive. And then my fifth tip, which I didn't even grab from my closet, I'll do that later, I guess. Maybe, I don't know. Don't really feel like opening these doors and messing up my zoom focus. But my last and final tip on how to look bad and bougie, is to have a very classic handbag, whether that be like a black Michael Kors purse, which is a little more expensive, but tip, if you go to TJ Maxx and Marshalls, you can find them for like $100, which is what I've done. Or Forever 21 also had this really cute bag that sold out before I could place my order. And just having a very classic bag that's a statement, that's either, depending on what size you like, obviously, if you like medium, small, or large bags, pick that size. And just a classy handbag looks like so more expensive, and just brings all your whole outfit together by having a nice little handbag to put on your side. Nothing like over the top. You don't need over the top. I'm not saying to go and buy a fur sparkly handbag. I'm telling you to go buy like a fake leather or a simplistic little bag to put on your side, on your little hip, and you're gonna look good. Plain and simple. So hopefully this video was helpful. I hope you guys really enjoyed this and learned a few tips on how to shop cheap on a budget and still look bad and like you spent so much more money than you actually did. Of course, I love coupons, I love free shipping, I love any type of discount I can get. So of course, before you shop anywhere, make sure you get those discounts, especially for students, who you usually get 10%, 15% depending on the website. So alright guys, I'll catch you guys in my next one. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye!